Downtown, people are going on downtown. Downtown. Oh.
Alright, the previous, I think. Sure. So this whole thing broke. There.
If you've got the jack working, you should be able to see this patch bay, and then you can mix things or put in effects.
Could be someone.
Where?
Is it working?
Oh, is the cadence like? Or
Yeah. Well, go to
Their tools,
Katya.
Katya.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Claudia.
Katya is a tool like under
Once
cadence.
Jack is running, try launching Katya. See if you feel. See if you
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
So
And there's also Claudia.
And
I never
what's
tried it.
Claudia? What's Claudia?
Well, like Katya, but focused at session management.
What? And who is Logs?
Who is
It's
Log?
like the Lithuanian lover?
That shows you the.
Ah, it's connected to Ladish.
Yeah, well, he's connected to Ladish and Jack and A2J. It's like a bit of a rectangle.
Let me see something.
Little rectangle that. Yes,
May I-
please.
Just go to system. Okay, no bridge in use. You probably want that. Maybe.
Okay.
Just in
But
case.
there is no Jack on Windows.
There is, because
There
I
is?
installed it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait. Oh yeah. It just needed to be switched to ALSA and replugged in USB.
Okay.
And now it's the default device. But it's the
Give it 48.
I'm amazed. I'm amazed.
Alright.
And give me jack load net manager.
Check load net.
Yeah, just
Give
run
me
it
the
again.
shot, come on, buddy,
Hmm?
shot,
Just
come
run
on,
the same
buddy,
command
buddy,
again.
buddy, 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 buddy,
Yeah,
buddy,
Cannot log down
No, it worked.
by memory error.
It worked.
It works.
Well, something worked.
It works, but it's
I'm getting MIDI.
Yeah, there's MIDI. Anyways, this is like
Jack is like the Vim of audio interfaces. You can enter, but you cannot exit. No one knows who started it because no one can start it.
but like why is the VI it is a Vim, like why is it behaving different?
Like a children?
Oh, it's not behaving different, it's just like
It's
the
because it's a Uganda edition.
Oh.
It's
No,
Uganda
it's just
edition.
like
I would be very
It's-
weary of a software that has it's so updated. It knows the location and tracking of all the children in Uganda. Probably does some protein folding. Hey, that's me. And
Yes,
the,
but
the
it's-
triangle.
yeah, but now the camera broke now that I flipped this. Oh,
It didn't.
It didn't.
What the fuck? It's back.
Okay.
It's back. I specifically saw you disconnected.
No, but I disconnect this one. Right. We're using this one.
So
Oh.
you didn't disconnect it.
I did.
Maybe you disconnected the.
No, but then I refreshed it.
I don't know what's going on anymore.
Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not.
This Hydra is basically a donut generator.
Huh?
Always, the end it concentrates in some like.
Yeah, now there is nothing in S1.
Now
It's
is
zero.
there is nothing.
And if it's 0 in it.
In it, Tami too. Maybe it's taken. Maybe just someone is using. Oh,
No, and now it works. Now everything works. Suddenly everything
it
works.
was the Jack.
Maybe Jack was just like
What's this dice? That's a random
putting
show.
in texture buffers in Hydra. I wouldn't be surprised. It's so magical that like it's just doing that.
Downtown.
Also, I still don't understand what.
Why the triangles?
Yes.
Don't ask. Don't ask. No way. So remove this set name from here. Maybe it's,
Well,
I'm
it's
telling
like-
you, we're picking up some transmissions from another Tami node. Is it possible
No,
that someone is?
it's from the previous patch. Let's see if I refresh this. Yes, now it is clean. However, it is not. There we go. Back to clean slide. And it's like not showing. Is it possible to set the screen to show everything?
No. No,
Really?
we tried. You need a
There's
you
like
need a
error
remote.
log here.
You need a remote for this.
I can bring my old phone that has like IR beamer
Good luck.
and then edit. Yeah.
But why do you need so much desktop? Are you not
No.
happy with your desktop?
I am okay, but then I'm not seeing the
Not seeing the what?
the errors.
Ah, that's a problem with your software. Your software doesn't can adapt. What I do, I just flip this and then it puts everything up a bit.
That's true. So we can
Oh!
padding. or we could just add some CSS right
No,
to it.
now we can know that it's not a function.
Wait, what is it? Span log error. So let's put some padding bottom.
Ah, Downtown.
What?
I think this
Oh.
this computer is
No,
rotated in some way.
no. It's just like making it bigger. So it's just adding the. That's
So-
fine. We can work with that. Let's just do this, and then this can go away.
Ah.
And we have our output. But even if I do this, it's fine.
Nice.
But this is still padded, so I need to add padding to the code as well. Oh, and this no. Code mirror scroll.
Downtown.
Is it like fixed position or position relative? So what's up with the jack stream?
Do you see anything on the
This modulate.
Omni MIDI or? I see some audio.
I see dead chickens.
Do you see anything?
You mean in the here?
Omni MIDI?
It should just like refresh on its own
Yeah.
without anything.
Yeah. And I'm seeing the MIDI there, so for some reason it's not giving me any.
SEO bridge. High fidelity virtual game. So it costs like $1,000.
That's the problem with the Linux people. They don't have any real users to account to, so they can write high quality, uber fast mind sonic transmission. Keep
Oh,
it up
it's like overflow to the rescue.
number of Ugandan children.
It's like 1 step for Linux and 4 steps on Windows, and then 6 steps to run it.
And no one knows how it works. It's discovery. Discovery. This is how they got to the Tanz reactors in Iran. It's just like someone had a jack running, and this thing can punch through every.
But like NDI has audio streaming as well.
Nia?
NDI.
Ah, NDI. You work with NDI? I'm looking for
tried
this
out.
SRT. SRT is the coolest. It's a UDP transport, but it has compression. It's like crazy. It's like the future of RTSP. RTMP. SRT and it's open source. And like RTSP, it's crazy. It's still running on and it's no one uses it. SRT Alliance.
Oh, they already made an alliance around it. Secure, reliable transport. Oh, that's something.
It's not giving me any channels.
It's bringing the best quality live video over the worst networks. And so now you're running the audio from the to the jack.
Yes and no. I mean, somehow everything here is pretending to be working, but it's not. You can see yourself. It's not in the thing. There's no audio from. It's just MIDI, and I see it there too. So.
It's on purpose?
Yes.
Oh. So source S0 is S1 is the other camera?
No, it's this camera, but being sourced
It's from
actually
OBS?
from the other tab. No, it's just from here. Like, it could also just be direct, but it's not.
Cause we can. But show the other camera.
The other camera. Okay. Was it in this camera?
No, one probably. Ah,
No, there was.
no, it's the same.
Yeah, no, it's using the first camera to modulate the image. So
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
I see. This guy is like.
yeah, now you can see more of the.
Down. Ha ha. Hello there. Downtown. Hey. Hey. White line. Hi.
Whoa.
Hey ho, la 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 la, downtown, 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 la 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 la, ah, oh. Hey mommy, I'm a 6-pixel bitch. I'm a 6-pixel bitch. I'm a do-be-do-do-do-do-do. I'm a 6-pixel bitch. Boo-bee-boo-boo-boo-boo-boo. I'm a do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
I broke it.
I broke it. I broke it.
There we go.
I'm a street
So you can actually switch between.
You gotta switch the switch. You gotta itch the bitch. You gotta switch the bitch. You gotta bitch the bitch.
They could probably. Well, let's just.
Oh,
Why is it? There we go. That was clear. Where's the phone now? Okay. It's like not the render thing doesn't support animation like this. Expected expression that moves. Like most other parameters do support that. No wait, this because I didn't. But yeah, should be switching between them, but no.
Current is not a function.
I thought we'll just like run it with do the switching on my own.
Sometimes I wonder
There's a clear interval, right?
where you are, who I am,
Prevent leak.
where you are.
Oh, it got really slow for some reason. Yeah. I Oh yes, it works.
Huh? What?
No, like switching between.
So it supports keyboard. You can have a keyboard input
Well,
to switch.
it's JavaScript. It can kind of put anything in there.
But it doesn't fuck up the one of the key things you can continue working while it's working. But can I map like now F1 or something to the code? Like you say, anything you can do with JavaScript.
Yeah, so let's say, I mean, you kind of need to inject it into the Hydra system. So, but what you could do, like, have some variable that is set by the key, and that then would be used inside a function that feeds a parameter inside of it. Maybe I can just create a new tab and okay, that's also nice, but let's just start with, oh, I need to adjust the padding again.
I'm laughing alive.
Just okay, fine. Without adjustment. So let's say I can just like make a global variable that is set by the key. What is it? On key down or something?
Yeah, I think they all came out nice.
But it's like
I ruined the experience.
it's stopping all the dust.
That. Never mind, it's held by a single power cord.
Mm. Well, let's
No,
just
that is
see
a
if this-
new. Tenant here is a new. Then when they come חמור. דן 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 דן.
No. Alright. Not a slash. Yeah. Okay, so you can just add an event listener on the window and just like catch all the key.
Even if you're not on the tab?
No, only when you're inside.
Makes sense.
Like it's the browser limitation. I don't think you can catch. I mean, maybe in Electron you could get
I
around
think
it.
you can do it with Jack.
Yeah,
Wait, is there a problem with Jack? I
You
mean,
can stream.
did you turn it off or?
Can you stream key codes in Jack?
You can stream anything.
Okay.
What do you mean everything? It's audio and MIDI. What do you
Well,
expect?
where's the
MIDI,
audio?
Yeah, I
keyboard to
don't know.
MIDI.
Is there
Keyboard to
some-
MIDI.
What is the? Can you go to the configurations or something?
But this is supposed to be the configuration.
Wait, you mean
I mean, yeah.
this thing?
Yeah, I mean this, and then I want to see why I don't have any audio devices. Engine, net. Okay. It's
Sudo. Sudo.
hang on, engine. Yeah, probably I need to go to no.
That was
Also,
cute. Sorry.
look at also here. It's probably this is a problem. So let's set the sample rate.
And
And
the
input
third time we set the
channels.
sample rate here on this sheet.
Input channels we probably want
Two.
2 output channels.
Monitor, let's see a monitor.
Is this gonna break the microphone again?
Enable
Yeah.
hardware monitoring and cards that support it. Why not?
Oh.
I don't know.
Is
what's
there
gonna-
11 settings? No.
I don't know what's going to happen. Let's find out.
No.
blah blah.
Ba ba
There
ba
we
ba
go.
ba.
Okay, mic is back,
Mark is back.
and this actually works now. I mean, it shows up. So what changed? Just adding the channels in the settings. What was it? Configure, also
No.
input channels, output channels too.
Yeah.
Are you
And
getting anything from the computer? It's supposed to be sending.
mm, let's see. Or did OBS steal our camera?
Nah. Whoa. What?
Don't take it. I just deleted your photos, I'm sorry.
And also deleted your own filters.
No, it's just like.
F5 this shit.
Anyways, fuck the camera, or we can like. Okay, so let's give it to OBS. There is no undo, right? No.
No, down.
Video V4L2. Guys, it got quite stuck.
Okay, get that.
There,
Oh.
there.
Hey! Hi, Us!
No, but I wanted this one. Yes.
Oh my god!
Yes, now we have it. Yes.
This is how we roll?
Yes.
Ah, and this is what we stream.
Yes.
And why aren't we hearing anything from
Ah.
Because
Yeah,
there is no output, nothing
Oh.
connected to this computer. So just plug the
No,
jack.
Elsa! It's
I'm
Jacques!
supposed to be getting it from the...
The Jacques is broadcasting.
Supposed to be getting some audio.
It is,
It is?
but or like I don't know. There's desktop. I can put desktop audio,
Oh, well, no. This is the microphone.
or I can put
I just
audio.
wanted to test it. Why don't we hear anything?
Where will it be? Will it be here? It's like
No,
No.
I thought you were Bluetooth. Oh, I need to turn this on.
are we Bluetooth?
You're supposed to be Bluetoothing. Open you fucking YouTube.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. Open YouTube, no?
You
No.
should be Bluetooth.
Yes, we play this shit.
Okay. It has the best quality live video over the worst networks.
Believe it. No, it's really amazing because it's UDP. It doesn't confirm.
No, from the not the jack or anything. From the just regular settings, you should set the physical output to.
But yeah,
Bluetooth.
you can't reach it. It's here.
No, you go to this bottom left.
This thing
Yes.
and like sound settings or what?
And then.
Pulse extreme.
No, go.
Oh, I want to see.
No. You go here to settings, and then you go to sound
Yeah, but
settings,
connect on it.
and then you connect it. Yeah. But
And you need to drag it.
Drag it.
and we will connect.
We will connect. Right after these messages.
Lie on this table.
Why? Whoa.
Okay, I think this is from yeah. Okay. Okay, there's this black,
Yeah.
and that's routed into system playback.
So play.
Okay, it is playing.
No. Oh yeah.
There's system capture that's being sent to you as well.
We can also put
Some visualization.
No. Yeah. Just let me-
Monitors?
Yeah, exactly. Where was this jack cadence? This one. Yeah.
Cancel,
monitor.
Tools. And we can put this.
Why don't they have it a name that starts with C? Ho.
But where's
But
that?
you didn't
No,
turn on the
it's here.
monitor.
It's here.
Where's the meter?
Yeah, but you
okay,
didn't
it's
turn on
here.
the monitor.
Okay, and now we should hook.
No,
yeah.
you didn't turn it on.
It's hooked up to the system capture, which I don't care about. I want. Fuck. How do I? What's the key
Oh,
command?
this is the monitor.
Yeah, I want to. I don't remember the key commands. I want to disconnect those two wires and connect.
just like this, no?
Yeah.
Double
oh.
inputs. I don't know what that does, but
Let me do something here. Wait.
No, it's not working. Because the monitor is not
there
live.
something- is
There's
there
a,
something
no, it's
in the config there was this checkbox for monitor.
you think that makes a difference?
No, if we don't see anything, that means it's not getting anything.
No, but,
even though I thought I was
you want
something.
maybe-
Let me screw. No.
What is
Yeah,
monitor?
yeah, this.
It's not. It's.
Provide output monitor
You
ports.
can do that, but I don't think this is what.
Whoa. No. Nothing coming out. Nothing coming on. No. Oh. Nothing coming out. Play, maybe transport play. Ho. What the fuck? Oh! Pop.
But it's not it.
What is this? Where is this coming from?
I don't. It could be
From the computer.
either the capture or the computer.
You're getting it from me. Here.
You're getting it. Stop that shit.
Okay,
Stop.
now it's finished playing.
Nice.
Okay, so
Nice.
now so anything I play here was coming there. So
It's coming, but it's not coming out to the speakers.
So we have to figure out which of those ports is.
Play,
System
put it
should.
on loop.
Yeah,
Yeah,
system
it-
playback should.
It
be,
is connected. It's just, but it was very quiet.
Oh, you heard something?
No, but
Here
on
in
the
the
monitor
monitor.
it was like.
Well, let me turn up the volume.
But I don't trust this. What the fuck is going on?
I,
It has only one.
but
Like,
maybe it just adds them together, the inputs.
yeah, I never seen that in a flow.
In a Grasshopper you can do that.
I don't know why it's so quiet. It's funny. Let me just open like a YouTube and see if it.
Can't I add some like gain?
Of course, you can add anything you want.
Can I? Where?
What is the transport? And
Well, you need it's. You need to get a plugin like a compressor or a gain.
cookie. Try cookie is the.
It's not going to
legitimate
be
sound,
there.
yeah.
It's going to be some like an actual audio app which takes an input and an output.
Like
and
OST, how
and-
it's called.
And
VST.
Oh, and then it
Yeah,
appears in this graph. And
Yeah,
then I
yeah.
go, oh,
Yeah, and then you.
maybe it's not bad. This thing.
You were Katla? Katya.
Whatever this jack
Who's
system-
the other girl? It was
It's just
Katya
like-
and Carmen.
It's just really hard to figure out.
just open up a Firefox here and then.
I still don't understand how this black 4 appeared. Did you actually initiate it or it just appeared because it's on the
Well,
network?
there was something like, what is this -I-C on the low net manager?
It automatically connects the client, the network clients to the default output, so you don't have to do it manually.
As one thing.
I mean, if I didn't have IC, then you'd have to go there and plug the.
But it would still appear.
Yeah. So let's.
And it's just like something he's doing over there. It's just exposing it on the network, and then it
It just appears?
was louder now.
Oh.
You see anything?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's still not coming out.
But
Which
whatever.
okay, so go to the jack configure menu and see which device it thinks the output is.
On the
Maybe it's
cadence.
Yeah, go to the system and configure and input it says HW0. See if there's any other output device or something.
There is.
Oh,
Then,
analog.
then I don't know
Analog,
which one is this
analog.
Bluetooth
One
thing.
of
I
them.
don't know.
And
Do I need to
but,
press
you
OK
are-
after all, each of
Yeah,
them?
yes.
I assume so.
Not digital.
I don't know which is which.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
Wait, but it's not HDMI.
Try
either.
HDMI. You should hear it. Yeah.
No way, man.
Wait, maybe we have to restart. No, I don't think so. No.
I don't want to
Wait,
restart.
but you no.
Let's put it this way: when you play something not from jack, but just directly to the also, what happens?
we saw
That
this.
worked. That worked. That was like when we played this beautiful 4 videos at once.
Okay, all right. And do you know which device? Go to Alsa Mixer. Go to the terminal and run Alsa Mixer. See what it says.
On the terminal.
Yeah, just run Alsa Mixer.
Oh, that I remember this cute.
Okay.
No, I just.
Did you read?
I ran it again.
I don't know what this did, but anyway, run Alsa Mixer.
One word.
Also mixer?
Yeah.
Ooh, whoa.
Yeah, man.
But
It's
yeah,
a
so
real
the
shit.
card, it says Realtek ALC, is that? But,
You
but
can
I
mute
don't,
it.
No,
Now
that's
press
the-
M. Press M.
wait, if I turn the master down to not, no, it's not this, look, it's not this, because if I go even to
Yeah,
zero.
it's like the, I don't know, this headphone
I
speaker.
don't think it's using this guy anymore.
No, master is master. Yeah, so we're not hearing it from the jack because it's for some reason not.
So
It's going to some port.
So it's running through pools or
No,
It's
Bluetooth,
running th- it's
Bluetooth,
going
you
to
don't
this,
know.
uh,
What the fuck? Like you don't know who's owning Bluetooth? It's not a hardware audio. It's not like you're connecting here.
and like it has a jack output right now.
Okay, let's do it without this other shit.
Jack to
Bluetooth shit.
Bluetooth.
No, this side.
Let's see. Ubuntu, how to put it.
Okay.
I feel so funky.
Select audio device.
From who?
Headphones? No, it's just this two smart nooks.
I'm hearing something now. So somebody is sending it to.
What? You mean the noises? I think it's because he's moving the cables.
No, but it's from the computer, right?
What?
What we're hearing now, the music.
Yes, well, there's the Bluetooth, but it's kind of from the system, like straight up. But we're trying to switch to just the cable.
Try now we play YouTube or something.
Well, I would have to.
Wait. You need a driver.
Not driver.
The driver.
Not driver. Wait, it's muted now.
No, no, it's just.
So who's the audioing? It's this.
Wait. Where is the audio settings again?
I can monitor two sources here.
I don't know. System sounds? No. Oh, output device here. So
Okay,
I want to output through headphones.
You need to install a package pulse audio minus jack, but I think we have the.
What?
Maybe
No,
we have
there's
the
like.
jacks, pulse audio jack sync and stuff, right?
Which speaker am I supposed to click to test?
speaker. It's on the right top side.
What? No, what are you talking about?
Well, I'm trying to like test some audio.
No, TP-Link is the Bluetooth.
No, we're running through headphones now.
Okay.
But I don't understand how.
Or this is a
Oh, jack sync, cool. So this.
But
is
can we
like
use
I-
pulse audio jack? Well, obviously.
No,
not,
this is
because
like
we
to
don't-
send back to you.
Yeah.
right?
Okay. Yeah. Then
So
no.
one side of the stereo is connected to the Bluetooth, another
Wait.
side is connected
This,
to the audio.
which you want to hear? What's connected to headphones? Which plug did you plug it in?
I plugged it to all of them.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wait,
so this is through headphones.
No,
I'm not sure. I'm not sure because
connected
I
is.
connected it to both.
You can just disconnect the Bluetooth
Wait,
and
wait,
you don't know for sure.
Disconnect the Bluetooth.
From the Bluetooth thing.
Okay. Now connect. Wait. I want to use the same one. Okay. Now the same setup and it's connected to the audio jack.
Just the jack.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I
So
switched.
disconnect the audio Bluetooth maybe.
No, but I switched here to headphones output.
You have a Bluetooth output?
No, this is audio.
No.
And I didn't switch it.
Disconnect the Bluetooth. I think it overrides everything.
Jack sync. No. Headphones.
Test.
Click a speaker to test. Is this the speaker like at the conference or what?
I don't know. It's an amazing GUI choice of Ubuntu.
When you on the jack configure menu, what options?
Amazing,
It had
amazing.
HW0, I guess.
Show the audio to output.
What is HW? What?
It should be
Is
the
like
default.
water or what?
It should be the default.
Oh, HW0. Okay.
Intel A.
Wait, I'm here.
Yeah, and
Here.
and the jack configure. Under configure. Yeah. Under output devices. Now you're on HDMI.
Ho. No
So-
HDMI, analog, yeah.
It should what? Try that.
Ho.
No.
For,
No,
well, we have to restart. I
but
think, probably.
now we're not even getting system audio out.
Yeah, that's true. We're not even doing system sounds.
And it's like stuck on being loud.
Yeah, scroll down. What the fuck?
Blah, blah.
Multi-input. What's
Multi, no, it's...
But now it started microphoning.
No, this is fine, this worked before.
This
it's
we had
just like-
before.
Yeah.
Alert sound. Bark. This is. Oh, damn. I can't believe they don't let you not have the alert sound.
There is none.
No, diff.
No,
Oh.
no, it's strange cabling.
I don't know what you're doing. But
I'm just,
See, it's like
it's
here,
not
headphones,
very good.
headphones. It's like, what is this?
No, Bluetooth never failed us. It should work, the Bluetooth.
But
Yeah.
disconnect the Bluetooth.
Did you connect it again?
Try. There's a see if the package. It's called Pulse Audio minus.
That's. I think that's beside the point when we can't even get audio from standard stuff. But what was the package name?
This is why Linux is so special.
Because you can spend hours and hours and get nothing done.
What is this here?
So we get spatial sound.
Okay, I think you need Bluetooth minus Blue Z also or Bluetooth also.
Bluesy also, but this is for Bluesy is for Bluetooth stuff.
Yeah, but we're going back to Bluetooth. But I have a
Ah,
feeling
yes.
it's not gonna work now. even
No,
if we switch it back.
because you're now a Mac.
Blues?
Blues, yeah. That's the Bluetooth stack of. Oh,
No, we have.
Don't want it
We
in your
have
life.
We have it.
What I really love is this like Uber Linux aficionados who go on Reddit, how can I get my Bluetooth headset to work with it always clicks, it doesn't work, the cancellation, the audio cancellation.
And then someone solves it or it just
I
dies out?
think 30% of kernel developers got into that because their Bluetooth didn't work. I think that's a real driving force behind.
Yeah, but the Bluetooth works well now.
Yeah, actually, I was very surprised. It worked the first time. I was like, did you turn it on again?
No.
Yeah.
Should I?
Yeah, we love it.
Bluetooth, TP-Link. This
Do it.
This is
I love it, the tension. It's like a spring. Are you so?
I found something interesting. Just a
This is
second.
like-
Just a second.
I guess it's a nice touch that it's actually it's like direct
Let me
interaction.
try something. Wait, but Bluetooth is on now? Okay, so. and
That
it's
should be
at-
the
is it at
slogan of
output?
Linux.
Wait.
Let me try something.
Wait,
No, actually, like
Okay,
what I
okay.
couldn't
Wait,
find, I
test.
couldn't find a single window man. Oh, there they are.
Front, left,
How do you get it?
front, right.
Oh,
Okay.
so I guess with
Wait, how do you get to that one?
It
With
was
the-
under sound
with the
settings.
Bluetooth.
Yeah, from the Bluetooth. But we're not finished yet.
I'm
Where's the
getting ready,
terminal?
like,
Where's the terminal?
No, but I guess because so that's the issue that it like it didn't have any speakers. It didn't think it has any speakers.
Why?
For-
I gave
for
it the
the-
speakers.
Yeah,
you wanted.
I don't know. Only Bluetooth has speakers.
So it was like the guy, like, check yourself, check your speakers. Yeah, before, we jumped.
But it's more fun when you're not doing it alone.
Equals.
Yeah, it's like, Ho! Ho! This thing is so delicate, I love it. Ho! Ho!
It's like
My dream was to have 1,000 of these in a field, and you can shout and you can see the propagation, like the spread of the audio.
Wait, where's
You can see the speed of light of audio.
Katya is there. She's not going anywhere.
Oh, but Carmen is behind her. She's lasting for Bluesy.
It's interesting that we don't hear shit though.
It's very interesting. So, but the monitor is getting it. But is the monitor?
I feel like we're in like this top secret GUI experiment to how to walk without like how to walk without this
A terminal?
without like the edges. I think it's totally needed.
Mm. But the edges, you know, they're considered like there's like they're infinitely big because for the mouse, because when you go to the edge, it's like you can't go beyond. So it's
We can't go
special.
even to them, not even
yeah,
beyond.
I know. At the screen, but the stream doesn't see that. It sees everything.
Why don't we have like just a huge screen, like that continues? Like you can drag your mouse like with control, and you just like
I
know?
I think you're free to like it can be
That's-
another window manager, just like infinite.
oh, another window manager. That's all I need in my life. Actually, I don't think Linux is good with window manager. I prefer this window manager i3. i3 is super cool. It's like this Biobu, like this Hollywood thing.
But
It
for the
just splits.
terminal.
No, it's
No,
not.
but
Also for GUI.
Windows, right? But not like floating windows, but just
You
in
can unfloat a window, but it's not needed.
it's just like a tiling window manager.
Yeah, tiling window
Yeah.
manager. Oh, what did you do?
I plugged this audio output from the other computer directly to Pulse Audio jack.
What is? What,
Yeah, it
was
just
it-
So
connected
this
here.
this output is working through the Bluetooth, and the system output is not for some
That
reason.
doesn't make sense, and then we should be also.
So disconnect this.
But it should,
How do I
we
disconnect?
don't know how to disconnect.
Press it and press delete.
No, it's not.
Oh,
that.
no.
That's not correct.
Press. But shouldn't we be hearing like the microphone as well? In the speaker?
Is it
Because,
hooked up?
this
Well,
time
let's
it's
see
gonna-
what's hooked up.
Call the disconnection. Interface.
That's the interface.
That's the interface.
It will tell us source.
Search the source code.
Yes, let's look at the source.
There's also other. Well, if you can find in.
We need to do that. We need to.
Here's the README. Yeah, go down. Descriptions.
The cadence.
Katya.
Katya.
Yeah.
Is it Katya?
Yes.
Yeah. Check patchbay.
We can also if help. There's a help.
It's circular.
There's a. I see a help. Help.
Help.
Love Katya.
Katya is a nice check. Patchbay.
Settings.
No, I can do it. Look.
Canvas. Canvas.
No, let me.
No, I'm
Look.
just gonna use a different patch.
No, you're rather replacing the patch bay now.
No. Oh, you mean if you like hold it, it will. Right click.
Right click and drag. I'm not sure about the drag.
In the like app store, there's like a big banner, something like discover the right click or something like that. Like, there's extra options when you click right with your mouse.
Seriously, they just got the right click.
No, it wasn't. I think it's like extra.
Okay, so what is supposed to be connected and what am I
I
doing?
went into an Apple store. That's what you're trying to say. You went into an Apple store.
On like
Ah,
the app store, like
it's not actually a physical store.
everything is closed. No, actually like they were selling it from Matrix. From Matrix. The first one was selling FedEx, and they also
No.
yes.
No.
Yes.
Lost it? sent it from the office to you in a FedEx
Yes,
and lost it.
the FedEx lost it. Yeah, and then the next day someone from there like came with it or something. Like with another one.
I don't know. I use Get Taxi, this Get Delivery.
Ah.
Well, it's crazy, and they do it immediately. You just open the app.
Yeah.
When I was in Spain, it's really crazy. They have this service. It's like this delivery, but they basically do everything you want. You
What?
can write specific.
Wait, but we didn't want to disconnect playback.
What?
This also.
But you disconnected
No, we
playback.
said this doesn't work.
Yeah, we're using pulse audio jacks.
But what about our system? Is it working still? It is.
Yeah, but it's bypassing jack. It's probably just, mixing it to also do.
Okay.
Okay.
This sounds nice.
Okay.
We
So-
have,
so- so
but wait,
computer
the
is
stream
capable-
does it sees it?
Huh?
Does the stream the OBS sees it?
Well, so this is the microphone, and it should be like a.
Well, if you want to do some crazy distortion
Jack-
with it,
jack
I
input
need
client?
a
What the
loop
fuck
or
is that?
something.
Wait, we have Alsa, Pulse Audio, and Jack. What the fuck?
They can never decide. No, but so I would
No, this only sees the.
I would be interested in just the the desktop capture.
Go to go here
there's
to
desktop audio, but
the.
we're not getting
Go to
anything.
these guys. The
Desktop audio.
no, the advanced audio properties.
No, I think we need to add another source. I don't know,
Jack input will basically, I think, will change the rate so it doesn't.
no,
get
we
this.
don't have a
No, Jack input.
custom PCM. No, cancel. Audio capture device. No, that's not. That's just the same one. Okay. What is Jack input clients? Number of channels. Start Jack server.
No, it's already
What are you
started.
doing?
We're trying to organize a Jack.
So, next step would be that but we would like to.
Any stream. Open this. Wait, this aux now.
No, it's mic. It's just mic. No,
Oh,
no, take this raw audio that you're sending now, and get it in OBS as like an
another audio. Get the inputs from the Katia.
I see it under audio capture device.
No,
I
this
don't see why
this
you
This
is
can't
is
do anything you
through
want.
the microphone.
This is the microphone. This is straight the camera. It's not.
Oh, this isn't working. That's
No, this is working, but ideally we would be able to use the raw audio that you're sending and not through a microphone.
I don't understand why you can't take it from the jack or
We
make it-
tried, but we only found this Jack input client,
And what's this jack input?
we don't know.
I don't know. We can start a server.
Yeah, of course you should start the server.
But how many servers do
No,
you
no.
have?
Okay, now go to the Katya and see if it's there.
So,
Show us, Katya. No,
hi Katya.
nothing's new.
I don't know why it's not there. You know what? Hook it up to system. I don't even know who's taking system, but it doesn't hurt to. No. That's not the audio I'm getting from the other computer.
It is this, no?
No.
Capture should be the microphone.
The black, right. Disconnect. From slab.
That's
Okay,
all.
now let me hit.
They're still not in with the times.
Jacques.
No, or I could input with Alza with Pulse, but
I don't know why it
No.
doesn't accept.
Start removing some audio devices.
Pulse is
Everything
just
there.
broken. Audio capture device.
What is audio capture device?
That's
Oh,
the-
also,
that's-
that
that's the
should be the
microphone.
microphone.
Yeah,
I don't know why it's not showing up there though.
no, it is so.
So wait, change the.
If this microphone is coming there, why don't we see the?
It is this?
So change the default from the default. What other
It's
options
this?
you have?
Yes.
Okay. Then that's fine.
This is fine.
So interestingly, it doesn't show up under mic AUX. It shows up under audio capture device. also.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is like default mic.
Okay,
It's just
I get it.
it doesn't matter.
Okay, and go show me the connection graph. See what else is there. Be careful. Well, okay, pulse audio jack source. That's playing stuff back. I guess you want to hook up to pulse audio jack sync, but that should be the microphone.
That's a source also. No, it's like something that's coming in. Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, try to hook it and well. Well, I was thinking to the slave, but I don't know.
No.
Like, let's. I wonder where the. No, the slave is giving it to jack source, so it should show up in a pulse audio input.
Yeah, but pulse audio.
So does your app take pulse audio? That's the question.
Well, after we started, like.
Does it support jack at all? It says yes, right? It says jack input client.
It has a thing that's called jack input client.
And what does it mean start jack server? Maybe turn that off.
We tried that before, and it's. I guess
maybe quit it and go into it again and see if it shows up on the jack, or if there's a configuration option to use jack as an audio input and output.
Maybe let's see what they say about the jack input client.
YouTube doesn't work here. The audio.
So quit this. You have to quit this.
I have to quit this one.
Yeah, I don't know. And then you go to YouTube here and dreams of the distortion.
Can they create like a new, like a?
Are we in form now? Do we reach the? Are you opening users in form?
Okay, so what do they say?
No, I don't know, but can't I create like a virtual input that I?
It should when you started.
What's this?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Oh, it's just.
Oh, you had to click on the auto zoom. It was off the.
No, it was just like in hidden. Anyway.
Yeah, but there's an auto zoom which shows.
So fucking this is the deadline form now here.
Okay. Yeah. When it works, it's quite amazing.
Everything works. It's with this server running. It's with this start server thing.
No, without no, I don't know.
To remove this shit audio capture.
No, the nice thing now is that like I can set up a virtual effects rack.
Yeah.
Like distortion, overdrive, compression, weird shit which I'm developing.
Can I control the?
You need a program which
volume knob. I forgot.
Yeah, or use that volume knob. Because actually this is okay, this level is reasonable.
This is
nice. We just had
volume jack.
What is this? This is just audio stream, like some music.
This is YouTube, just coming from YouTube right here.
prepare you a kit
Of what?
of the DB.
Welcome to the stream. The weird stream.
Ah.
That's not bad! I don't know how journey it is, but it's a progression.
Your delicate fingers.
And it just took it away. Charles decided he wanted to hear the theme from Cheers and the style of video games. So here's the theme to Cheers, the video game.
Maybe I shouldn't give you. I don't want to start a medical.
I even brought a soldering iron on
I'm
the
sure
plane.
you brought this other guy, so what are you like? Oh, I can solder.
No, I brought a soldering iron on the plane.
On the plane, you're afraid they're gonna take it. Actually, you know, I've been for 6 months. I was there. I was freezing.
All you know it's gonna be alright.
We just like do workshops there.
Oh, I guess you
Okay, now you're getting
different cake.
now you're getting a bunch of computer generated music. So
Is it AI generated?
Everything is AI generated.
this is someone else's demo.
What do you think about this GPT, man?
I mean, if you listen to it musically, right now the best way to use it is to just have it generate like a lot of stuff, and then you have to cut and paste the good things. I mean, it doesn't really
You
have
have
the
access? You ask for access?
I don't have access.
Your son is right.
But you have access?
No.
I don't even know if we can run it locally even on this browser.
No, it's not locally. Send them an API request. You can,
But that costs money.
I don't think even with money they will let you.
Then how? Come on, I know people at the university have access to it somehow.
It's different in the universities, but access doesn't mean you run it locally.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, I don't think on one graphics card you can run it locally. You need like a bunch of them. Maybe that's why they take money from.
It's not the it's not the graphic cards. It's the
Of course, it's the graphics card. You need
no,
CPU.
it's the network.
It's a neural
training,
network. You need
yeah.
hardware to run it though. Like,
But they
bunch of
don't let
graphics.
you access the neural network, man. It's
I don't know what they do. Maybe they don't. Either it's open source, or I think some of the versions are not because they're licensing them.
They're afraid of what they claim is they're afraid of.
They're afraid of not having enough money. They're afraid of not getting rich from.
No, what they claim is that they don't want people to start using it to just generate tons of fake shit.
You mean like real people generate fake shit?
Like spammers, you know, it started as a thing to write reviews
Spammers
for
already
Amazon.
write fake shit. This is
It
nothing.
writes great reviews for Amazon, and they're super afraid it's gonna.
So instead of paying some loser like a few cents to write the fake reviews manually,
you can
they're afraid-
spend this money on a
you
smart
can spend
guy.
this money to get the GPT to write the fake reviews.
Why employ millions of losers when you can employ just one smart guy?
They could generate fake users, but then generate fake reviews. Generate fake users.
We're all gonna die.
Yeah. Is it? Did you want to see how to like set the keyboard somehow?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think you can like use the same principle as it uses for the like audio, because it does this global object.
Where did you create it? Just a dot, it started this global object?
It's just this.
You initiated it by just calling the A.
It gets initiated by just starting.
But is it getting the input? Is it getting this sound as an input? Is it doing anything with it?
It's using the microphone.
Oh, it is. Okay. Oh, the microphone or
But you
or
can change
the
you can change the input.
I think it has to be.
I think from open it again. I think from
No, I think it has to be set.
from the side data. I think there.
No, it's just like allow and then the application like lets you choose. So it's something that we don't. Certainly, I'm not sure. It's supposed.
There's web MIDI.
Huh?
I didn't know there's web MIDI.
Yeah, there's about MIDI and really good web audio. And you have like Web 300 does VR as well. Web everything, it just runs in a like massive Chrome process or Firefox. Spider monkey. Anyways, so
Simple peer is what they use for the signaling.
yeah, yeah, and it's built on Regel.
It's funny they don't even acknowledge WebRTC.
Anyway,
as a
listen,
library.
if you install Jack Rack, we can add some distortion.
Jacques Rack.
Okay, last half an hour so.
There should be a package called Jack Rack. I don't know if it's Jack minus Rack or Jack underscore
Jack
Rack.
plus rack or Jack times rack.
James Jack.
Jack minus. Try that.
Tap it, oh.
Okay, yeah.
No, I didn't even know it's possible.
Now run Jack Rack and
Wait.
You know what yes is doing? Why can't just pipe it into this?
That's why you wrote once and it generated tons of time.
What? No, it's just as many times as many times as is needed. But you can there's probably like
Yeah, this
yeah,
works.
yeah, but this is
Yeah, let's start the
more
Jack Rack.
ridiculous.
I have to see it. It works with the Camtasia.
Now find some distortion and
Yo,
Fucking
why? Where did you get
Alphabet.
from? It's like
decimator.
yeah. What?
Not RT capable.
no.
It's just gonna be a bit even more distorted.
Experience dropouts.
Yes, please, I want to experience dropouts.
But now it should appear in the Jack.
Yes,
Of course. Yeah,
Is it there?
there's Jack
yeah.
Rack.
So
everything
Jack Rack is
happens
an
in the-
in and an out. So you get the idea.
MIDI through,
So disconnect.
Jack Rack.
So see those two out. Why yeah.
But
Go-
this is the control problem.
No,
It's not
leave
audio.
leave the control.
Oh,
I'm
Jack Rack,
saying
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
saying
yeah,
disconnect.
Yeah.
Disconnect this.
No, wait.
But there's no like nice graphics with the patches, you know, and like nice like interfaces.
You can probably do that. It's just in the background. It's just files. Everything is just files, right?
Wait, why am I still
Oh,
hearing
look
it?
at the source.
I'm still hearing it. Because it's
Is it?
going. Yeah, it's this.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm disconnecting this. And I'm disconnecting
No, this is
this.
insane. It fucking works.
And now I'm going to install. Where's the Jack Rack?
Here.
Yeah. So let's put it here.
There's no zoom, huh?
Yeah, there is. a
There
zoom,
is
there
a
a
zoom.
zoom, yeah. That was what was giving us problems before. Front left.
It is like
And enable that, and then no, but enable it.
He knew the slider to find. He found the slider. Oh.
No, we put. Let me find some more interesting effects.
The one beat, we started the genre. It's a genre.
No. Why? No. What are you doing? Okay, good.
The decimator.
I think we start. Let's put in a flanger and overdrive. I mean, don't be crazy first.
The decimator.
Feedback.
wait,
the input?
To disable them and we might hear what's the input.
Couldn't happen to a nicer girl.
This is still some GPT pop music.
Wait, but where is the decimator now? Or
Did you exit?
No,
I don't know. You took it out for some
they
reason.
get replaced.
Add it.
Oh, I replaced it.
Oh, you
Instead of
replaced
pressing
it.
here, I press.
Plus adds another one, and then you can
Yeah.
enable and disable them, and they go in some order.
Yeah,
by the way,
yeah,
obviously.
yeah, of course I switched it, but I instead of pressing here, I pressed here, which is replaced. This mouse is really broken.
No, it's amazing.
No, but this is really hard to play.
We need a list of stuff we need for Tami.
This is awesome, yeah. But it's actually one of my projects is to, besides developing some novel weird distortion methods, is to use it musically, like in the same way that like everybody studies like just regular harmony and stuff like this, or even jazz harmony, like with chords. Instead of chords, there'll be some progressions of distortions and stuff like that. This is one of my little projects.
These are the neighbors? They're also playing.
What name?
We have like a recording studio somewhere.
It's a rehearsal. They do rehearsal. Is it also recorded? If it's okay, this yeah, it's switched to. This is GPT fake Chopin right now. From there.
Yeah, then actually there's this like nice exhibit in Ars Electronica. They have this piano that kind of is able to play itself, and it had also like an AI hooked up to it. But I think it was GPT-2 at the time. That was generating like based on some style.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
It says here they prompted it on the first 5 notes of Chopin, piano,
Yeah.
whatever, and now it's just generating fake Chopin stuff.
Yeah, but it's like generating the audio, not the notes.
This is generating the notes.
Okay,
The
yeah.
audio generation.
Yeah, so it
is
was like it
in
was
the room.
it was the same principle, but
Yeah.
but it was nice that
Yeah, sample based.
but it had actually like real grand piano that is.
Yeah, and that's actually quite interesting, where
automated.
it's gonna generate the audio samples directly instead of just
No,
notes.
I mean it was like notes, but it was a physical piano that was then playing.
Ah, okay. So they had a MIDI. The MIDI was feeding a piano. Which was
Yeah.
Okay,
Like a motorized piano.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
This is fake jazz.
But yeah, I must say this is like quite featured.
Yeah. No, but what I want to do, this is one of the things I need to really think about is to use weird distortion like musically.
Yeah, of course. But it's like often like just combining it like you can,
No, if you know what you're doing, of course you need some very interesting effects.
No, you can do like just good rhythm patterns with kind of the distortion and Also,
I was experimenting with some weird things like you could have one.
and if you're doing ambient then you can do anything.
some weird phase modulation.
Yeah.
So, is this being streamed by the way? What's happening?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I plugged it straight into the
And what is
oh. Well, reasons are that you don't get UDP on the browser or TCP for them. You get only like.
But you can
Data
get MIDI.
channels.
You can get MIDI
Yeah.
into the browser.
But you can get WebRTC data channels, and which can be run in two modes, like a reliable mode, which is close to TCP, and like a non-reliable mode, which is like UDP. So it's like similar latencies,
Yeah.
but you know the packets can get dropped out and
Local.
yeah. No, but even if you're even OSC is like you expect that it will get dropped out, but
Local never. I never had a drop for any
local no. But if you're streaming it over something that you know it may UDP is just by the nature of it may, but you're usually over streaming with like OSC. You're just sending the value like a million times anyways, sometimes or not. Depends on the.
So wait, this is integrated into Hydra already?
What?
What you're saying?
The data channels? No, but I mean, in principle, you can stream any arbitrary data using WebRTC. So actually, once you get the signaling going, which there is, you could also be streaming just any extra values. But I think in general that there should be like more support for just streaming the code and not the visuals, but there isn't. It could be. But I mean, I want to make my own web-based things. It's just like just playing around with Hydra because it's fun.
You're scheming.
Well, I'm scheming to make a like
What is connections?
something like schema. Who knows, right?
Seriously? You're just connected now to the entire hive?
Oh yeah. Oh right. I think that we can actually like this may be like all the exposed patch bays. So let's see what they give us, right?
So what are all these streams you see connected to this? What are all these streams?
We're looking, we don't know.
Who's generating it?
Everyone.
Who is everyone?
Everyone is using Hydra currently.
I don't know.
But looks at something with a name.
Or it's maybe it's just like our stuff. I don't know. Well, this should.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yes, this is just.
Oh!
What is it?
Nice. Nice. No, this is us. This
No,
is
no,
another.
no.
I was playing this. I was playing this in a different. That's a Garga, and it's open here somewhere.
Oh.
It's actually like the tapping to other buffers in the computer.
No.
Yeah,
no,
look
that
at
doesn't make
it.
sense.
It's here.
This exact thing.
Yeah, this Kachandra, this Karagangan. Open another tab. It's here.
But it doesn't make sense. It was just.
It's not. It doesn't make sense. I believe you. No, no.
Some stuck. But I think it's just.
It's not. It can be. If it's another person, it's crazy.
Well, I mean, when you do this, it exposes to all the internet. Like you can go to any Hydra on this now, and you can like get the Tami to
Okay.
stream.
Okay.
So if you know the names, then I don't know, but not all of them like are probably active. Or, like, I don't know if this one even. Yeah, so this one is working.
But I don't understand. Like everyone, even if you open a stream, it will automatically generate this. I thought only if you.
Only if you like do the like set the name. I don't know. It's just random.
I think these are locals.
Probably like from the. Anyways. So.
This is a wormhole. We started with Jack and now this.
Anyways, what I just it's like.
The keyboard. The keyboard.
So wait, let's first just define some global variable. this is shitty. Or maybe like I can make some object on the window. Let's say it's just like this, and now when I want to see the whole console. Anyways,
console for you.
anyways, so this.
I think I press this maybe.
Oh, it's fine. So now with
Sneaky bugger.
so you know you can just listen. You can listen on any element, but you know on the window it's just global, and the key down event is when anything is pressed. There's also key up. So we need to use both to like you know be able if it's like down or up, and it's so you get the
key code.
yeah the key. So that's part of the event, just key. So let's set another thing and let's just
E.key.
so like keys. Let's put in the E.key and set it to true. That's it.
No, but then any key.
E is not defined, that's correct. There, and set it to false on key up. Yeah, that's any key, and just do some debug set interval.
You love this JavaScript shit, huh?
Let's just set interval to like print the keys as the current state of them. We can do it in a table. So I think it's probably accessible by keys because everything that's on the window is just like global. So, and we'll do every 2 seconds. There. Oh, no. There we go. So now I'm holding A. It would be good to clear this interval, but because I didn't save it,
It's not focused.
no, it needs to be in here.
Focused.
But just yeah, we need to. I just have this event and I can't get rid of it now because I didn't keep a reference to the event, so I can't clear it. But maybe I can clear all of them, but maybe there's others that wouldn't. But in any case, the point is that like so
Right.
so now if I'm holding D, I will get in there the D. Perfect.
Get the D.
Yes.
Get the D.
So let's say I just have this solid and I output the solid color, and now this can be as a function that reaches to the keys and gets, for instance, F. And oh, no. No. That should work. Oh, right, I just give it true, so it doesn't. Oh, right. No? Maybe I broke the regular files. Refresh.
Oh. You can't get rid of this, huh?
Sometimes when you like.
Window keys is undefined.
Yeah, but I just refresh it now. It should clear all the.
Well, we have a wall.
New tab. Kill this tab.
Very professional.
What?
Look.
Just kill it.
I mean, if there's
Yeah.
we need some particle blocker, but you know the idea is good.
Yeah. Oh right, it's does it support the knowledge thing? Yeah, it's true, yeah. Just ah, amazing.
So are people on the internet seeing this?
I don't think there's anyone watching, but
Okay,
we did,
They could.
we didn't share the link, but yeah, you can.
We share the ideal.
Yes. Anyways, it's
Oh.
Yeah.
So, you still have this global thing hovering here until there is the reboot.
what the global thing.
There's a global thing running in Firefox, capturing your.
It's not
keys.
global. It's just for this, tab. And I killed the previous tab because it kind of didn't want to.
So you have like
on the
instructions.
list. Well, it's like this. Yeah.
Ah. So first you set up the Windows keys, and then you add a event listener.
Yeah,
For E?
I'm not sure you even need a window because anything that's like the window is like anything that's on the window is exposed as a global. So I think that if you did, also now you may need to do something like I'm not sure. It's more explicit like this.
I really like explicitness.
And I think the variable you might need some. There is no
F. Which one?
FT8.
And but these don't work anymore.
No, they do. Like
Ah. No, we can make a psychedelic code editor.
yeah, like you can now use this as a, let's say we can just send it to the O0, and then you can do anything else like S0 init cam 1. Let's do that, and source S0. This, yeah, 0 out. It's not working. This is it init cam? It is not. I don't even know. Or will it control this? Yes. 0 init cam 1. Oh, but is the cam? Oh, the cam is taken over by OBS now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But we have the other cam? But I don't think it's gonna work either.
With black.
Oh, it is working. Okay. And now add to it the
This is cool.
O0, the oh no. Now it's like feedbacking. It's strange.
It's because I'm standing there.
No, it's because there's this should be out of like maybe a 1. Because some of them are, yeah, I think the O0 is like the default output, so I was actually being confused by that. Yeah, and yeah, there we go. Now we have the video that you can flash over.
Opa!
And you could use it to modulate. The modulate function is like taking the red to modulate the x coordinate, and the green to modulate y, and the blue to just have fun with it.
Show it again.
And it's a solid color, right? So you get like nothing. But you could now also multiply it with like sign of time, and now you have animated
Hi. Hi.
moving, but it doesn't go below 0.
You come here often? Hi. Hi, Yus. Hi, Yus. Yus. Hi, Yus. Whoosh. Ooh. 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 Wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah.
And so if you like play around with closures on the functions, you can also do like some damping and like this.
Okay.
Like bullshit stuff. Had some things going like da 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 da
Hey! Hey! Oh! I love this block LEDs. They have this special light distribution.
yeah, can I use it in something that's just like embedded? It's also nice.
What do you mean by
Yeah, you have when you have like a panel and you cut out just the rectangle and then it's like inside.
Oh. We need to do a tour of Tami.
Okay, and I think that's gonna be the end of it, right?
Hello, I'm your tour of Tami. I will be your guide. Come join me. Enjoy the luxurious essence. Hello, did you miss me? I'm always here for you. Hi. Hi. This is our new world.
Ah, it's maybe a bit too much, isn't it?
Is it too much?
Is it full?
Like coffee? You'll love it. Coffee with right Twix coffee with right just buy coffee with right just buy coffee with right just buy coffee. Dip just buy coffee. Dip sip 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 just buy coffee.
You know, one thing I think that singers always talk about is like how they never see each other except when they're doing a gig together, and so it's about when they get together, when they get together, when they get together.
When the morning of your eyes comes waking through my shadow, leaving just a trace of twilight, I whisper to the baby raindrops playing tell them gently, the time they should weep, or come
have to do to lose weight and have the perfect body? How many times have you heard that tired want to lose weight? Go on extreme low calorie diet. Wrong. Losing weight does not mean always being hungry. Losing weight does not mean salad 3 times a day. And before you slam me with the whole that's easy for you to say, this isn't about me. This is about thousands of people worldwide. I've been fortunate enough to be able to help with their weight loss goals, allowing you to eat real food all day long, yet still lose weight faster than you ever have. Now, you could think that I'm being a little too harsh, but please know that I need to break through to you because I want to help you. Okay? Quick exercise. Place your hands on your stomach right now. Come on. Place your hands on your stomach. Now, where is most of the fat located? On the front? On the side? On the back? Grab the belly fat. Grab some back. Get a full hand stroke. Now, how long have you been struggling with everything that's in your hand right now? And why haven't you been there? There is a simple way to do it. Jackman, but transform yourself into a superhero. Jackman follows through the secret of ultimate. Chris Pratt from the Chubby Lovable Andy What's their secret? They ruthlessly cut through the fluff and the BS. They have 0 time to waste because their next film role is starting in just 2 weeks. So they can't waste time on the wrong program. Is fruit bad for your diet? You should know that the advice to eat plenty of fruit and vegetables is exactly where many diet books and trainers and dietitians don't have trouble. They recommend eating fruit because of the high vitamin content. Is fructose good for you? That answer is unfortunately complicated. There's no doubt that fruits offer a slew of health benefits, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytonutrients. But the fructose complicates solution for most people, especially women. Guess what? These same rules apply to vegetables as well. I know it's nothing to vegetable. How can you possibly want to eat fruit? How often? How much? The truth is, when people say that they're going to get sick, they do 2 things when coming to some solutions. One, they start eating less because and 2, they start doing more cardio, jogging, riding a bike. What if I could
Your loyalty is not to me, but to the stars above.